I want to move on to our fourth principle, embrace measurement. Achieving improvement means constantly challenging ourselves. We tend to see what we want to believe. This is a phenomena that psychologists refer to as confirmation bias. That's why we want to embrace measurement. We need to test and to use the data to push back at us. It'll cause us to question what else might be going on here that we didn't think about. This leads us to a powerful concept in quality improvement. You can't improve at scale what you can't measure. We have a lot of student outcome data that educators are spending lots of time slicing and dicing in many ways. To guide improvement, measurement has to get down to actual work processes. For example, the community college initiatives are seeing the system analysis identified starting strong as a key set of work processes. Starting strong includes interventions that change the way students operate at the beginning of their experiences in classrooms. How do you build supportive communities? Redesigning curriculum. To find out about these interventions and what we're getting traction, we introduced a 3-minute survey that students took on day 1 of their classroom experiences and in week 4. We now know from these data that by week 4, students are more likely to feel that they have a growth mindset and feel like they understand why the things that they're learning in these classrooms are important to their futures. We now know so in the aggregate, these data are good news for the Starting Strong team, but these reports of improvement didn't occur to the same degree in every single college classroom. Network data are helping us identify what you might call positive deviance, places where you're getting consistently great results. We learn from them, we further test their insights, and to see if it makes sense to spread what they do to others. This is how measurement fuels improvement. It brings new questions to the table and forwards new insights. Measurement is the engine that fuels next generations of improvement.